Hello. Good day everyone. I am Mercer Plaza, and for today's video, we're going to tackle about the lesson 2, which is understanding the concept of ICT. So let's get started. ICT, or Information and Communications Technology, means that it is a broader term for information technology or technologies, which refers to all communication technologies, including the internet, wireless network, cell phones, computer, software, middleware, video conferencing, social networking, and other media applications and services. Let us now proceed to the terms and concepts in ICT. The first one is technology. Technology refers to a mix of process and products used in the application of knowledge. It is also can be used to support both learning and teaching. The second one is the ICT literacy, or Information and Communication Technology literacy. It is use of digital technology, communication tools and their networks to access, manage, integrate, evaluate, create, and communicate information in order to function in a knowledge society. And nowadays, many students are quite comfortable with some technologies and may even be more knowledgeable than their teachers in their use. The next one is the educational technology. It refers to the use of technology in teaching and learning. It includes both non-digital and digital. This kind of technology has the ability to enhance relationship between the teachers and the students, especially in this kind of situation. Next is the digital literacy. It is the ability to find, evaluate, utilize, share, and create contents using information technologies and internet. It is also the ability to use information and communication requiring both cognitive and technical skills. It is important to use to be able to understand and use technology, the ability to find and use and create information in a beneficial and useful way. The next one is the digital learning. It is any type of learning that is accompanied by technology or by instructional practice that makes effective use of technology. This kind of learning can enhance learning experiences, to save the teacher's time, enables teachers to tailor learning to students' needs, aid in students' progress, provide transparency into the learning process for all the stakeholders. Next is the online digital tools and apps used in internet connection. The common example is the Skype. Skype is a telecommunication application in providing video chats and voice calls between computers, tablets, mobile device via internet and regular telephones. It can also enable the world's conversation. Millions of individuals and business use Skype to make the free video and voice, one-to-one and group calls, send instant message, and share files to everyone. Next is the offline digital tools and apps. It includes Canary Learning, in which it allows offline access students to write homework and for the teachers to grade it, just like, for example, ebooks and Calite. When we say Calite, it is a lightweight web application software that allows users without internet access to engage with Khan Academy videos and exercises in completely offline settings. These kind of tools are programs, website, or online resources that can make tasks easier to complete. A lot of these can be accessed in the browser without needing to be downloaded. The next one is instructional technology. It is a theory and practice of design, development, utilization, management, and evaluation of the processes and resources for the learning. This kind of technology can create engaging, effective learning experiences that caters of the needs of the different individuals. We also have software. Software refers to a program, control, instruction, and accompanying documents stored on disks or tapes when not being used in computer. It is a generic term used to refer to application, scripts, and programs that run on a device. We also have multimedia. It is a sequential or simultaneous use of a variety of formats in a given presentation or self-study programs. Multimedia assignment or projects allow your students to present their newly attained knowledge through image, audio, and video instead of just textually. Next is the Internet. It is a massive network of networks, a network's infrastructure. It is generally defined as a global network connecting millions of computers. Internet is possible to quickly find information, communicate with people around the world. Next, we have World Wide Web, also called as web, is a graphical environment on computer networks that allows you to access, view, and maintain documents that can include text, data, sound, and videos of the Internet. World Wide Web allowed people to share their work and thoughts through social networking sites, blogs, and video sharing. Next, we have the web access. It is the ability of learners to access the Internet at any point during the lesson in order to take advantage of an array of available education resources. The website, tools, and technologies are designed and developed so that people with disabilities can use them. More specifically, people can perceive, understand, and interact with the web. Next is the WebQuest. WebQuest is the inquiry-oriented lesson format in which most or all information that learners work with comes from the web. This can be created using various programs including simple word processing documents that include links to websites. The purpose of using WebQuest is to encourage students to use information rather than gathering it and participate in meaningful classroom discussion. Next is the productivity tools. It refers to any type of software associated with computers and related technologies that can be used as tools for personal, professional, or classroom productivity. This kind of application allows for the viewing, creating, and modifying of general office documents. Examples are the spreadsheets, memos, letters, personal database, and so on. The next is the technology tools. It is an instrument used for doing work. It can be anything that help you accomplish your goal with the use of the technology. The teachers can leverage technology to achieve new levels of productivity, implement useful digital tools to expand learning opportunities for students. For example, the data or calculation tools, design tool, discussion tools, email tools, and handheld device. Next is blog. It is an online journal where posted information from both teachers and students are arranged. Three kinds include blogs for communication, blogs for instruction, and blogs for both. Blogs is used to share information about the given topic. Next is Wiki. Wiki is an editable website usually with limited access. It allows students to collaboratively create and post written works or digital files such as digital photos or videos. Example of this is Wikipedia. Next is the flipped classroom. It utilizes a reverse instructional delivery, where the teacher is required to use the web resources as homework or out-of-class activity as initial instruction of the lesson will be discussed during class time. The next is the podcast. It is a video or audio multimedia clip about a single topic typically in the format of radio talk show. The two basic functions are to retrieve information and to disseminate information. The podcast is another method to entertain, humor, and educate. Most podcasts come in the form of series, just like television show, and then are broken down into the episode. Next is the Google Apps. It is a cloud-based teaching tool which is stored in the Google server and is available for students both at home and in school. This apps is allowing users to browse and download application. This application serve as a service. Vlog. It is a video where each entry is posted as video instead of text. It can serve as a way to share your artistic process or to provide tutorial guide on a creative practice or topic. And next we have Facebook. It is a popular social networking site used by students and adults worldwide to present information on themselves and to the world. Well, nowadays, a lot of people using Facebook because it allows the users to share pictures, music, videos, and articles as well as our own thoughts and opinion. But we have to be careful with our Facebook account because nowadays there are some people can easily hack your Facebook account and they will use it to chat other people. And lastly, we have the VoIP or the Voice over Internet Protocol. It is a category or a hardware and software that enables people to use the internet as transmission medium for telephone calls by sending voice data in packets using IP rather than traditional circuit transmission. This kind of technology that allows you to make voice calls using broadband internet connection instead of a regular or a phone line.